Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best electric plug adapter for Italy and most of Europe. The HANYCONY European Travel Plug Adapter. If you're traveling from the US to countries like Italy, Spain, France, Germany, or many others across Europe, this adapter is designed to make your life so much easier when it comes to charging your devices. First off, the HANYCONY adapter stands out because it's a 5-in-1 solution. It provides 2 standard American outlets and 3 USB ports, including 2 USB-C ports. This means you can charge up to 5 devices at the same time, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, power bank, or other essential gadgets. The USB-C ports support up to 5 volts and 3 amps, offering faster charging speeds, which is especially handy for newer devices like iPhones and iPads. The adapter supports a maximum capacity of 2,500 watts, operating at up to 250 volts and 10 amps, which is plenty for everyday electronics. It's important to note that this device is not a voltage converter, so you need to make sure your devices support dual voltage between 100 and 250 volts. That means items like hair dryers or straighteners must be compatible with this voltage range, or you'll need a separate voltage converter. What I really appreciate about the HANYCONY adapter is its compatibility. Portability is a big factor for travel gear, and this adapter nails it. It's lightweight, weighing just 2.4 ounces, and compact with dimensions roughly 3 by 2.4 by 1.6 inches. This makes it easy to slip into your suitcase or carry on without adding bulk or weight. There's even a power indicator light so you know when the adapter is active and working. While it doesn't have surge protection, it is designed with safety and smart charging technology in mind. The USB ports can auto-detect your device's power needs to optimize charging speed without damaging your electronics. This kind of efficiency is a great feature, especially when you're juggling multiple gadgets on the go. In terms of build quality and usability, the HANYCONY adapter feels solid and reliable. Its design focuses on practical functionality with easy access to all outlets and ports. Whether you're on a cruise, business trip, or vacation, this adapter serves as an essential tool to keep your devices powered without hassle. One more thing to mention is the customer support from HANYCONY, which includes a 12-month warranty. That gives peace of mind that if anything goes wrong, you have assistance available. To sum up, if you're searching for a versatile, compact, and efficient travel plug adapter for Italy and most European countries, the HANYCONY European Travel Plug Adapter is hard to beat. It combines multiple outlets, fast USB-C charging, and wide compatibility in a sleek package that's perfect for international travelers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Safe travels and see you next time.